In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on Accounts. And when you're ready, select Open under Google. Then hit Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to check. Finally, after entering your screen lock, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!